Here we'll be looking at the Echo TC-210 carburetor repair. The main complaint is it's not getting fuel, hard to start. First thing we do with these is we drain the fuel tank, put new fuel in it, and try it. Here the primer itself was not pumping any fuel, so this is the time when you're going to take the carburetor apart and check the diaphragm, the fuel pump diaphragm, for any kind of stoppages. What you're going to need today is a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. Start by removing the air cover. Then you'll remove these two Phillips screws here. By doing that, that'll allow you to pull the cover right off the carburetor. Set that aside. Now the carburetor is going to be loose. It's easy to remove the throttle cable by pushing it forward and bringing it right up out of there. Remove the two fuel lines on the back side, and then we have the carburetor itself. You can find your model number on the side where the fuel inlets are. You got a K82 747A. We will use that to find the repair parts for this, as well as the serial number of the machine, which is right there.